What up, everybody? This is Chargestrom, and today we have another box of awesomeness for you guys to unopen today. We have the Golden Clover 2021 edition, and I'm pretty excited to open this. There's a lot of good items that could have came out of this. It's a fairly big box. I have no clue what is inside of here. Like, I don't even think there's a sniper rifle in here, and that was in most of them. So we're gonna have to just see what I got. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing. This time I actually have a knife. All right, let's get this started. Get the knife wedged in there. There we go. All right. That was awful. All right, the box is opened. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see here. All right. Did I open the bottom? I don't even know. We have a big brown box right here. It's quite heavy. The big brown box right here. We're gonna go ahead and save this one for last, because I bet you that's probably the most important item. We have some coins. I'm not sure what these coins do, but they're collectibles and they're cool. It's got a little knight on it. I'll go ahead and take it out of the bag so you guys can see. Small coin. There's the back side. It's pretty neat. I don't know. I have no use for that, but we'll figure it out later on. I'm gonna put this brown box right here. No clue what's in that, but it's there. Oh, I got 2 of these coins. Okay, that's neat. We have a doggy patch. It looks like it's Solid Snake, and that's pretty cute. I like that. That's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's go ahead and put him on the patch wall. Anyways, we have another gun here. We have the M40A3 Macmillan sniper rifle. Looks pretty neat. I didn't think there was a sniper rifle in here because of how small it was. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. It doesn't want to open. Why? M40A3. Cool. That's pretty neat. What did this come with? Got a new speed loader. That's pretty neat. What is this, though? I'm confused as to what this thing is. Oh! So if I want to extend the butt plate out, I think that's what this is. Got some pretty shit BBs. What's this? Allen key set. We have the barrel right here, and I can't get it out. Oh, here we go. Barrel and trigger group. Holy hell. Why is this so hard to get out? Hey, got a barrel rod that broke. A broken barrel rod. That's neat. I've never had that happen before. That's horrible. I hate you guys. Let's actually start assembling this. Get me off. Hey, the gun's together. Whoa. It's a nice gun. I'll have to try this out a bit. But how do I put the stock in? Asshole. Oh, shit. Fucker. That's nice. Enhanced cheek pad. Cool. I'm not gonna load it up now, but let's go ahead and open up what else we have. Oh wait, we didn't even try putting the mag in. So I have this giant cardboard box here, and I have no idea what's going to be inside. So let's go ahead and find out. Whoa, that's cool. I got the alien rifle. The alien blaster. Oh my god. Let's open this bad boy up. I have no clue how this thing works. Holy heck. And it's got a cool camo on it. Holy heck, this thing is freaking big. Oh my god. So I got the battle-worn one, it looks like. But I don't understand. Wait, there's a stock here. Does this move? This is the mag holder, so what the hell is going on here? How does this go in? Oh! I got to work. So, to get the magazine out, I need to do this. Dude, putting the mag in here is a pain in the ass. Dude. This gun is so impractical, it's not even funny. It just looks cool. This makes no sense. Oh, that's how you... I figured out how you open up the stock. There's a button that is so incredibly hard to see. I don't understand the point of this thing. I'm gonna go grab a battery. Well, everybody, I'm back. I couldn't find a battery, but I'll be able to shoot it eventually. I don't know what the point of this is, because you put the battery in the shotgun area. So I don't know why you would bother pulling this thing. I guess it's just to look cool. Not sure how I think about it. There's no sights. It's just a spray and pray weapon, like... And it's just heavy, like... Machine guns aren't even as heavy as this thing. This thing is abnormally heavy. Like, I literally had to carry it with the carry handle. That's how heavy it was. I don't know. I enjoyed this. This is a good BOA. I got some coins, some patches out of it. This cool sniper rifle, this pretty neat rifle that I just don't know how I'm gonna use. Like, my god. Well, anyways, time to go shoot some guns. This gun's freaking heavy. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me which gun you think is your favorite. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I post on here not too often, but I'm trying to get better with it. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Charged from out.